Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel No Code Fever, where we talk about software development without coding. And as I say, the future of digital innovation. So let's not waste time and get started. So as usual, we are going to use bubble.io for developing our app. And the first step, let's create the login and sign up feature. So for that, we'll go to containers and drag and drop a group on our workspace, and then just resize this group to make our header. And then the next step is just go to components here, where you can already see so many pre-made templates by Bubble. So for our header, you go to the header drop down and select a basic one and drag and drop on the group that we just created. After this, you just need to delete some of the buttons that are not needed. So one will be our sign up button, then we have a login button, so we'll just change the label of it to login. And then we need to add workflows to the login and sign up button. So what we do is we first take a pop-up from the containers here and then place it here, then change the name to pop-up sign up, and then just change the size of the pop-up to 500 and 700. And then you can just again go to components, and here you will find in the inputs and forms some pre-made templates for sign up and login. So this pop-up is for sign up. So we'll just choose a basic template for sign up here and drag and drop on our pop-up. And once we create this sign up pop-up, we just have to add a workflow when a user clicks on the sign up button here. So we'll click on the sign up button and then we'll go to add workflow. And the first workflow that we are going to add is account sign the user up here. The first step is to grab the email and password from the pop-up. So for that, we'll go and select the input email sign up options value. And similarly, we'll do it for the password by just taking it from the input password signups value. And once this is done, we'll go back to the design here. And now whenever someone tries to sign up, they'll enter their full name here, email, password, and they click on the sign up button, and the user's information is updated in the backend database. And one more thing we need to add here is the name field. So we'll create a new field called name, and the field type is text. We'll create this, and again we'll take its value from the sign up pop-ups names value. So this sign up pop-up is done, and that's it. Your sign up for the home page is done. Now we need to create a login feature. So for that, we'll just first close this pop-up for sign up, and similarly we'll add a pop-up for login. We'll first go and change the width and height of the pop-up as we did for the sign up pop-up, and we'll change the name of this to sign in. And once this is done, we'll choose a basic component for sign in from the inputs and form in the components here, and let's drag and drop it here. And then similarly we'll go to the logins add workflow button, and we'll click on account log the user in, and we'll enter all the fields that's required. For this case, it's just email and password because the name is already taken from the sign up pop-up. So we'll just click on the email and take this from the input emails logins value. And the password, similarly, will take it from the input password logins value, and stay logged in is yes. So this is done. And there is one issue we need to check this. So whenever you get an issue, you see a red exclamation here. You can click and read it. It's very user friendly, and what it's saying that the forgot password link is not created yet. So since this is a link, we need to change it to a text to redirect a user to the forgot password page, which is by default provided by Bubble. So first we need to replace the element type with a text, And once we replace it, we need to add a workflow to navigate, and we need the user to go to the page reset password. So this is done. So one more thing that a user needs to do is to switch back between login and sign up password on clicking create a new account. So what we'll do is we'll add a workflow here, and for that we first need to replace the element type with text and add a workflow. And since this is a login pop-up, we need to first hide the login pop-up, and then we need to show the sign up pop-up. So we'll go to the elements and we'll show the sign up pop-up. And if you remember, there's a similar button in our sign up pop-up. So we'll just close this sign in pop-up and open the sign up pop-up, and we have a link to go to the login pop-up here. So we'll just first change the element type to text, and we'll add a workflow. And whenever this already have an account is clicked, we first need to hide the sign up pop-up, and then we need to show the sign in pop-up. So now what we need to do is we need to show those pop-ups when login and sign up button are clicked. So this is going to be very easy. We just need to add a workflow. When the sign up button is clicked, element actions show pop-up sign up, and similarly we need to do it for the login pop-up here. Add workflow, element actions show sign in. Now this is done, and let's preview this app. So we click on the preview button here, and this is how our app looks currently. There's nothing else, just the login and sign up feature. So we'll check this out. We'll click on sign up. We'll add some demo name here, demo@gmail.com, 1234 and sign up. So now the user has been signed up, and as you see that there is no alert also to let the user know whether they have signed up or not. But in the backend, everything is working fine. And to check that, we just need to go to the data here, and we click on app data. And as you can see that demo@gmail.com name demo has been created as a new user in our database. So now let's just add an alert whenever user sign ups. So we'll just search for an alert element here, and we'll drag and drop it here and place it on top. And we need to say that registration successful. This alert should show whenever the user has signed up successfully. So for that, we need to change the workflow for both the pop-ups. So we'll just edit the workflow here, and whenever the sign up is successful, we need to show the alert. So we'll go to element actions, show message under alert, and the alert registration successful is automatically selected. And similarly, we need to make an alert whenever the user has signed in. So first we will close this pop-up and just drag and drop the alert here and log in successful. And we need to position it at the top. And once this is done, we need to open our sign up pop-up and edit the workflow here to show the element alert whenever it's done. So we'll click on alert login successful here, and now our app is complete. So just to check it, let's refresh our app currently and let's see whether if it's working or not. So we'll click on login, we'll type in demo@gmail.com and we'll type the password 1234 and we'll click on login. So now as you can see, the login successful message is showing here. So this is how easy it is to build a sign up and login feature in Bubble without any coding. And if you want to know and learn more about no code development, please subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any recommendations for the video, or if you have any doubts about no code development or Bubble in general, please feel free to add comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next video.